Let's get straight to it. The F-35 fighter is an aircraft that operates in full stealth mode that is not detected by radar. F-35 technology is considered one of the highest military in the world of aviation in modern times. The United States Lockheed Martin aircraft. The single-engine all-weather aircraft of this type of multirole fighter is commonly referred to as the F-35 Lightning II. An aircraft that cannot detect enemy air defense radars. That's because the fuselage, even though it looks big, but the aerodynamic shape is very slim. What's special about the F-35 is that it can be used for air warfare, air-to-air, and at the same time to attack on land, air-to-ground. It first flew in 2006 and has now been used among others: United States Air Force, Marine Corps, and Navy. Outside America, it is known that the Australian Air Force has operated the F-35, in addition to, of course, close US allies. With this the video ends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.